Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tom, also known as the Residual Hustler. And in today's video, we're going to be going over puzzles. I've got a bunch of puzzles right here, about 11 of them, that we are going to scan with my cell phone. We're going to go over profit, what I paid for them, to give you some sort of idea of what to look for when you're out scanning. Now, I found these puzzles at a local general store that sells odds and ends, different kinds of thing. They have a small puzzle section with some toys, so I scanned the puzzles and I found some profitable ones. Profit between like $2 and $6 for each one. I paid $7 for each puzzle. So let's get into it. Okay. So I'm going to bring up my Seller Central app, and we're going to be scanning the front covers of each puzzle. Okay, so I'm going to click on the camera icon on the top right corner, and we're going to scan the puzzle itself. 402,000 rank. That is a bit high. I like to be under 250, but there was some decent profit. Now you can see Amazon is selling this for $22.38, so we're going to keep that in mind. I'm going to click through, and I'm actually going to change all that. Okay, we're at $22. I paid $7. So we're going to profit $6.14 on this puzzle. So that one I'm happy with. I paid $7. We're going to be getting back roughly $6.14. So the next puzzle right here. 355,000. $22.38 selling for on Amazon. We've got one review. You can see Amazon is also selling this one for roughly $22. We're going to click through. We're going to be selling it for the same as Amazon, the $22. And we paid $7. So we're looking at a $4.09 profit. Not too bad. Okay, the next one, John Wayne puzzle. And we're looking at the bottom one here. Let's double check. Yep, there it is. That's the same puzzle. Much better rank, 74,000 rank in toys. Preferably, I love to stay under 80,000. And look at the reviews, 1,029 reviews, selling for $17 on Amazon. We're going to click through, and we've got $7 profit. I'm sorry, $7 cost, which leaves us with about a $2 profit. So not bad. That should sell pretty quickly. So next one here, this is an army puzzle piece, 211,000 rank, 162 reviews. Now, when it's a little bit higher rank than what I like, but then I see a lot of reviews, that's always a good sign to me. Okay, so we paid $7. So we're going to be at about a $2 profit. So we're going to turn the $7, get that $7 back, get back roughly another $2 after Amazon fees. I can tell you that $2 for something like this is the lowest that I'll go. If I'm looking at doing replenishable items, something I can buy over and over and over again, then I'll actually go as low as $1. Another puzzle, 80s Time TV, 42,000 rank, much better rank. And 161 reviews. Amazon is not on the listing, so we're going to click through and put in the $7 buy cost. So we've got a profit of $1.94. That could probably be upped a little bit because there's only one other seller. So I could probably up that maybe to $19.99. Let that other guy sell out first, and then I can make more profit. So the next one we've got Fairy Tales, 1,000 piece puzzle, 67,000 rank, selling for 17. 114 reviews. Amazon is on the listing. That's okay. I don't mind that. So we're going to put in our $7 buy cost. And we're at another profit of $1.94. Most of these are around a $2 profit range. So paying 7, getting back 9. So next one we've got is the Three Little Witches, 1,000 puzzle piece. And we're looking at the top one, 220,000 sales rank. A little bit high sales rank, but look at the reviews, 242 reviews, which is what I like. So $7 cost, $1.94 again for profit, so roughly $2. The next puzzle we have is called General Store. Another 1,000 puzzle piece, 295,000 rank. We've got 36 reviews, which is good. Amazon's selling it for $18.58. So let's up our price a little bit. We're going to go $17.99. Put in our cost of $7. So we're at a $2.79 profit. Not bad. The next one we have is a Hometown Heroes 1,000 piece puzzle. 92,000 sales rank, selling for 17. Look at the reviews, 295 reviews. There's only one person, one FBA seller on here. So we're going to click through. This I could probably, because there's only one seller, what I'll probably do with this is I'll put it up for $19.99 and put in my buy cost of 7. That's going to give us a profit of $4.49. So a lot of reviews, only one FBA seller. So I'll end up sending this in. He will sell out, and then I can make a little bit more of a higher profit. So the next one we have Seek and Find Beach Theme, 1,000 piece, and 159,000 rank. Amazon selling it for $17.41, low price $16.99. 4 other FBA offers, 37 reviews. We've got $18 there. We're going to put in $7 buy cost. So we're at $2.80. Okay. So the last one we have right here, Hometown Heroes. Now, if you noticed, I actually used the Amazon Seller app, and I use the feature to where I can scan the front of these puzzles. And that's because over the barcode, this particular store put their price tags over each barcode. So by scanning the fronts of each cover, the front of each one, I was actually able to find to see if there were like more listings for this same product. So we're going to go and we're going to click through here. We've got 92,000 reviews. I'm sorry, 92,000 sales rank in toys, 295 reviews. That's a lot of reviews. Only 4 FBA sellers. Oh, I'm sorry. What was that? Let's do that again. I think I missed something. Let me look just to double check. No FBA sellers. I'm sorry. No FBA sellers. Let's just tap on that just to double check. Yeah, and the last one was like that too. I think I said 4 FBA sellers, and it was actually, they were all fulfilled by merchant. So we've got these people here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, just to show you what you're looking at a little bit more in depth. What you're looking at is these are the 4 sellers on this particular puzzle, and selling from $16.99 to $36.24. So what I could do, here's an example of something I could do. This person here, Masterpieces Inc., they're a big seller. You can see that they're a big seller. See, they're 1,175 total reviews. What I would do is I would probably go into their store, use Keep Up, and find out exactly how many of these puzzles that they have. If they only have a few, I would probably price my puzzle here at maybe $22.99, $23.99. Let Masterpieces Inc. sell out, and then I can get the higher price for my puzzle. So we're going to scan this one more time. And we're going to click through. So right here, $16.99 minus the fees, $9. Now let's say that I'm able to do that at $21.99. Now this is just a scenario, and I paid $7. Then you're looking at a $6 profit. So minimum $2 profit, possibly as high as $6 profit. This is something I would look deeper into, and I would do the same thing for all the other puzzles as well. All right, guys, so there's an example of a bunch of puzzles that we went and scanned. And remember, I scanned the front of each one, not the barcode, because you can see, and I started taking some of the stickers off, but the place where I got these from, the general store, put all of their stickers on top. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit. I usually post about grocery items that I sell and clothing, Adidas, Nike, all that kind of stuff. If you like this kind of content, definitely feel free to visit my YouTube channel. You may already be on it if you're watching this, but you can go to residualhustler.com. You can find the YouTube channel there. Click on the Amazon banner, takes you to my Amazon website where I actually have a lot of this type of information about selling on Amazon. And if you like this kind of stuff, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. And I hope this helped you out, and you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.